Alright, y'all, I know it's early. We got here, we didn't get... Did you hear that? Got Gobbler hammering his head off over here. RJ and little man here, they're going that way anyways. They're going towards the oak flat, but I don't think they're gonna make it over there. They're gonna get down at the pond. There's two.
Yeah,
there's two birds. Okay, we're excited. We might split up. I was going up here if we got a couple of birds together. I don't know. We're gonna make a game plan, then we're gonna make a move, but we gotta hurry. Yeah, y'all stick with us. Okay, y'all. I can see the gobbler. RJ's gonna be after. He's gonna be at the end of the property way over there. He's going down the valley. We're gonna see if he can get that gobbler. There's more than one in that area. Whew, y'all stick with us. I'm gonna see if I can get him on camera. If you can see him too well, I'm not right there. There he is. I didn't get to get up here and get the birds roosted last night. That's the woodlot RJ was going to. As soon as we got here, he's hammered, but there he is. I'm gonna do some light calls from right here, see if I can plug him into RJ a little bit. He's got his call, but we're gonna find out there's 2 or 3 other gobblers in there. Y'all stick with us. Alright, y'all, we got multiple birds sounding off right now. And I'm seeing one right now. I don't know if my son, RJ, his little boy knows it. Oh yeah, he's coming down the road bed. He's coming down the road bed towards him. I'm gonna try to catch this on film. I'm trying to pull the bird to him too. Let's see here. Whew. Now this is getting exciting. Yeah, he's coming to him. He's coming to him. I'm trying to help pull it. They're sort of between me and that bird right now.
All right, everybody. As you can see, RJ's got one of our ground blinds. We had it set up right here, and that turkey was actually just roosted probably about 80 yards, if that. And we came in here to check this ground blind because we left it all year. Got to take it out, do a little repair. But right now, we're heading to another property. We've had 3 or 4 gobblers in here this morning working, at least. And y'all saw the one I filmed coming down towards RJ and him, but then he veered off, and we listened to him down there for a while, and then I had the one come in behind me. And good morning so far. It's the best morning so far for the season.
It was awesome. The one was going off all morning.
All morning. We're going to head to the truck, hop to another property, and we'll be back shortly. See that boy? There he is. Now he's starting to inch his way this way. We haven't been here 10 minutes and decided just call and he gobbled. Let's just have to look over in the field. And there he was. And he's got the hen with him too. I'm sort of hoping it. What's that? There's 2 gobblers. Oh yeah, there is. He's the big one. Is that other one a gobbler too, I guess? Yeah, it is. Yeah. Sorry folks, I got the camera off and I saw another bird just pop out. Come on, big boy, come on. Either one of you do for us. We haven't got to hunt. But we can't shoot him over there because that's a different property. We've got the 2 gobblers we just saw. Just don't know when. Just head on gobble. Let's see if we can get it. Just across the fence where we can't go. Right, we could have done shot them. That one in, there's 2 gobblers. Y'all stick with us, we'll see what we can do here in a minute.
Got him.
Two freaking gobblers. Come on, boy. Give me some of that. We just smacked it. Did you see him?
Yeah, he was right there.
Right there, both of them, bro.
I seen the one that was right there. I didn't see the other one.
The other one was right below. He was getting ready to come this way. I was going to shoot him. But then I saw that other one pull up. And he actually caught us a little bit.
Yeah, I seen him.
But dude, let's go get us a freaking gobbler, bro.
Yeah.
Y'all follow along. We're getting ready to have some fun.
Yep. I gotta get.
I didn't even see that hen down
Me neither.
here.
I seen the shadow of that one down there and then that one down there, which was seriously right there. Talking about. That was good.
Check it out.
Uh-huh.
Awesome. Fantastic.
First kill with me here. Well, besides the time we...
2 toms. I didn't figure that, man. That was quick.
Mm-hmm.
All right, y'all. This was a quick hunt. Like I said, I just got off work.
We've been here for
Grandson
about...
didn't come over. And
I said, you ready to go hunting? We want to try an afternoon, and hope y'all can see me pretty good. And whoa, easy, buddy, easy. And he said, yeah. And here we are. I mean, we wasn't, what did it take? Probably all of, I guess we wasn't here 20 minutes.
Maybe 30.
Yeah. So, all right, we're gonna get some pics. Y'all stick around for some more Shoot Your Grill adventures. All right, everybody, here we are back at the truck, birds on the tailgate. And once again, we want to thank y'all for tuning in to Shoot Your Grill Adventures. This was a fast hunt. Man right here was a cameraman today. Got the shot and everything on video. It was rough. This wasn't your typical turkey hunt. We had to actually go in. It's to make a long story. Well, it's not going to be a good way to make it too short. But we saw the birds on a neighboring property. I mean, we just hadn't been here 10 minutes. Started calling. They went out of sight towards the wood line, and I knew of a little valley right there. And I told him, I said, we need to get in that little wood lot on the side of that hill. So we boogied over there. He didn't have no mask or gloves, so piece sleeves, and he just sort of covered himself when the birds started coming in. Once we saw them, when we started calling, they was coming in, and they got within 15 yards, both gobblers. He got it. Yeah, he's the one that knew something was up. Luckily, I had my mask and gloves and was able to move a little bit faster, and got the shot off on the bird. So we're gonna head to the house. We'll see y'all again on another episode of Shoot Your Grill Adventures.
Pay $60 a minute for camera.
Wow.
I'll be your man.
Wow. And
Yep.
wow.
Huh?